Hi everybody, my name is Tabitha, certified trichologist, fine-haired specialist. I am here to talk about the Valoom rootie. Someone made fun of me about how I say root, so I'm not saying it right, the rootie. So anyway, this is what I am talking about today. I had a client reach out to me and emailed me and was like, have you ever tried this, Valoom, by Valoom? And I was like, no, I've seen it and I've looked at it and I've seen videos on it, but I have never tried it. I think the reason why I've never tried it is it looks scary to me. Fine, thinning hair is fragile. Fine hair does not have a core. And so it's easily broken. It's easily damaged. So something like this it scared me actually. So when I got it, I was pleasantly surprised by it. Now I'll tell you what it comes with. It comes with 3 little clips here, which are nice clips. And then it comes with a brush as well. And then the Valoom, I'm not sure if they come in different colors. This one's a nice mint color. It's super soft. Like, this is how my business cards feel, like really, really soft. The great thing about the Valoom that I like is it goes down to 300 or 220. It goes all the way to 220. This is crazy because usually a lot of irons and a lot of flat irons start at 300 and go all the way up to 450. This one starts at 220, which I love. It's great. And it goes all the way up to 375. So I love that it still stays, or I'm sorry, 395. So I love that it still stays low. Like, it doesn't go up to 450. We're doing good. When I first tried this on my hair, I had it at 220. You always start out with the lowest possible heat setting for fine hair. If you need to turn it up, you can always turn it up. So I started with 220 and I actually didn't see really any results. So I bumped it up to 230 because I was still a little bit scared of it. And actually 230 was great. So my hair, if you guys know me, I've always had fine hair. It's gotten thinner, but I do have this spot in through here that is thinner from an IUD that I had put in several years ago. Believe it or not, I've actually gotten some hair back from here, but it's still very thin and I need a hair color. I need to color my hair. So I'm gonna show you on this side because I washed my hair yesterday. And so this side is really flat. I don't like to wash my hair every day. The first day I can usually get it quite puffy. I don't like to wash it every day because I have frizz to my hair as well and it'll get frizzier. So this side always stays a little bit flat. And you know, on that second day I can kind of tuck it, you know, and get some volume behind my ear and it's fine, right? But we are going to use the Valoom to give us a little bit more. So I'm going to start kind of like right temple-ish, and we are going to clip that out of the way. And what we are going to do for fine fragile hair is we are going to tap, tap. That's it. That's all we're doing. It's super, super quick. Now, if you have hair thicker than mine, you could probably, you know, leave it just a half a second longer, like tap, tap. You're gonna have to kind of play around with it. But err on the side of caution, okay? Especially if you have finer hair, because we are taking, you know, this little section in through here, and we're gonna go to the root, and we are going to tap, tap. That's it. So then, we're gonna go up about an inch or so. I think I'm gonna do 3 taps on this one. So we're gonna do tap, tap, tap. Okay. And then about another inch. We don't want to go all the way to where we part, because you'll see, and it kind of just leaves little jigsaw marks, right? So it's not like it looks frizzy or backcombed or anything like that. It's just giving us a little bit more lift. So I'm just going to keep that top section out, and we're just going to tap, tap, tap. Okay. So it's kind of crazy, right? Because it doesn't look like it's doing that much, you know, after you do it, but it really does give it some foundation, like underneath. So now when I tuck it, at least I have a little bit more fullness there. So the thinner hair you have, because even when I did it on this side, I felt like I got a lot more. And it's just, I think it's just because I have a lot more hair on this side. So we're gonna do this side too. And then leave that, that front hair section out too. So we're gonna tap, tap. Because you don't want like a kink in the front. So we're just taking this underneath hair. You can definitely do this in the back and kind of, you know, keep going around as well. But once you get going, I'm like, it's not scary at all. Like I mean, it's a great product. The great thing too is that I thought, like tomorrow, I'm still going to have a lot of volume to my hair. That's kind of what was cool about it too, is that the next day when I didn't wash my hair, I still had a lot of lift, and I really, really liked that. So it just gives you a little bit, right? It just gives you enough to kind of kick it out just a little bit. And then tomorrow, it'll pretty much be the same. It just kind of gives you a little bit of zhuzh in there. So I really like it. I really like how it's made. I like how small it is. I like the settings on it. If you guys want to try it, I'll put the link in the description below. You can get 20% off of your Valoom if you use a code. And so I will put that in the description. And if you have any other questions, leave me comments. And any other videos that you would like me to do, I'm going to start doing more videos for you guys. So, bye.